Hello everyone, I am Prashant Srivastava. I am teacher of Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. Today I explain lesson 3 of class 5. Our lesson name is Major Landforms. The earth is made up of land and water. Land covered about 29% and water about 71% of the earth's surface. What is mountains? A large natural elevation of the Earth's surface rising abruptly from the surrounding level. A large steep hills is called mountains. What is the importance of mountains? There are many importance of mountains. They form a natural barrier against cold and hot winds. The snow-filled mountains are the source of many rivers. These rivers provide water to many areas on the earth. The mountain slopes are rich in flora and fauna. The mountains are also a rich source of minerals. Mountain rocks are widely used as building materials. Our next topic is plateau. A plateau is a flat elevated landform that rises sharply above the surrounding on at least one side. Plateaus are found in almost all the continents. Some plateaus are extremely large and extend over hundreds of kilometers. Deccan Plateau in India. Some of the plateaus have deep canyons, such as Great Canyon in Colorado Plateau. Importance of plateau. What is the importance of plateau? Greenlands in the plateau are widely used for rearing cattle and sheep. Mining is an important occupation in this region. What is plains? Our next topic is what is plains. A plain is a flat sweeping land masses that generally does not change much in elevation. It is called plains. Importance of plains. Plains have fertile soil and are suitable for agriculture. Many towns and cities are located in the plains. Good transport facilities, ability of water and rich fertile soil make plains best suited for the human settlement. What is desert? Our next topic is desert. What is desert? Desert is barren area of landscape where little precipitation occurred and consequently living conditions are hostile for plant and animal life. It's called desert. Oases are small water pools that spring at some plains in the desert. Some of the famous deserts of the world are Sahara in Africa, Thar Desert in India, Great Sandy Desert in Australia, and Patagonia in South America. What is river? River is a natural flowing water course, usually fresh water flowing toward an ocean or another river. Rivers are natural channels that carry rains, melted ice and snow downhill from mountains to plains, lakes and seas. Most rivers originate in mountains and end up their journey in the sea or ocean. From the place to origin to its mouth, a river passes through three stages. First stage is the upper or the young course. Second step is the middle or the mature courses. And third stage is the lower or the old courses. What is landform? Any natural feature that makes up The Earth's surface is called landform. Thank you.